This is Sean McCormick for Radio Hannah. In this video, we're going to set up some programmed events on a remote system for the broadcaster who's taking this laptop out for use later today for a football game. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the events area to bring up the events dialog. I see nothing right now because they're set up by hour, so we'll uncheck that. I'm going to start with remote goes offline. Pick today's date. And the time I want is 2 o'clock, so 2:10 p.m. or 14:10 in 24-hour time. Now the other problem I've been having in the past is that when the encoder goes online, it takes about 2 seconds, so I'm going to remove that 1 second pause and put in a 2 second pause instead. So seconds to wait. Argument, 2 seconds. Add action. Now I'll move back up to the second item in the list where the old action was that I took out. There we go. So there is my list of actions, and they will all appear in the article on our support site. And now we'll save the event. I don't know what time the game is going to end, so I have disabled the offline event. And you can pause the video and see the list of actions we have set up. So I cancel that. Now I'm going to create some manual actions for loading playlists. We'll start with the event name, Load Football Playlist. It's a manual event. And first we'll clear the old playlist. The next action will be to load the new playlist. We'll choose Remembrance Day and add action. And now we will add that event. Successful. It doesn't show up, so we have to refresh our list of events. And there it is now. Now we'll add another manual event. Type in the name. Clear playlist is our first action in the series. Then we'll load the right playlist. Add the action. Set event type to manual, and add the event. When we go to our manual events tab, this won't show up immediately. You have to close and reopen the software for this to show up. We'll close and reopen. All right, go to manual events. And it looks like I accidentally misnamed one of the events. So the one on the left loads the Remembrance Day playlist. The one on the right loads our football playlist, as you can see in the left-hand playlist area. So I'm going to have to go back into my events, and I'm going to have to rename that one playlist, which I made a mistake on. So we'll go to, I can't tell which is which. That's correctly named. And this is the one I messed up, so we'll change that. If you look at the bottom right, you'll see it counting down to when it goes online. Okay, so we'll save that. That's good. Close. Reopen. Go back to manual events. And there we have it. So if I click on that, it loads the Remembrance Day. If I click on that, it loads Remembrance Day. Click on the other, it loads our standard football playlist. That is us setting up events in RadioDJ on a remote system for use at a football broadcast. This is Sean McCormick for Radio Hannah. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching.